The only thing worse than trying to kill yourself and failing is having to talk to your mother after trying to kill yourself and failing. Particularly when she knows deep down that it's partially her fault. But her mouth and brain have never formed the phrase, "I'm sorry," in her entire life. So, here you are with nothing but a berry smoothie between you and
Nina's here.
Still?
He's worried about you.
Yeah, sure.
He is. He said he might sleep on the couch.
God, really? You got me a suit today. Like he's my grandmother, like a fucking consolation prize.
Consolation for what?
Never mind. Mother, would you mind changing my bandages? Never mind.
No, Connie, of course.
No, it's fine. Auntie did it not that long ago.
Connie,
I'm sure it's fine.
Connie, if you want me to change them,
It's no big deal. I don't want you to get your hands all bloody.
You sure?
I'm fine.
Conrad, what am I gonna do with you? Thank God you missed. I would have just felt terrible.
Do you really love him?
Of course.
And you trust him?
I do. Why?
Can't you see what he's like?
I trust him to be who he is. You don't understand that I love him totally and I wouldn't want him any other way. What do you mean what he's like?
He's a condescending, self-centered
That's
piece
enough.
He thinks he's some kind of genius, but he's really just a
You don't
third-rate hack.
understand him. He is a genius. A truly great artist. You can't begin to understand who he is or how
No, of course not. How can I possibly understand a great genius? How can a failure like me begin to
Grow up,
understand
Connie.
greatness? He's
Grow
probably
up,
out
for
there
Christ's
right
sake.
now, smarming all over Nina, just
Don't be
convincing him how
ridiculous.
brilliant he is. Don't be blind then. He can't take his fucking eyes off.
Don't you dare.
How
talk to me
stupid
like-
can you be? And how the fuck can you fall for the same exact kind of shitty, arrogant assholes over and over?
You're delusional.
And over again? And you're an idiot.
And you're fucking impossible.
And you're the worst mother in the world.
That's better. Very mature.
I can't stand you. And your men. And your acting.
And I can't stand to see how pathetic you've become.
You bitch.
Failure.
Whore!
Don't you dare. You have no idea.
He doesn't
what
love me
I have
anymore! Don't you understand that? He doesn't love me anymore. He is everything to me. And all he can see is him and his fucking genius and his fucking fame and his fucking bitch famous. God, I'm so unhappy. I am so unhappy all the time.
What are you?
You can see what you see now. A loser.
Not a loser.
fucking loser.
You aren't. And of course he still loves you.
I don't know. Not anymore.
You can be wonderful. You are my son. And you will do great things. You just need to...
What?
We'll go. We'll leave tomorrow. I'll take him away, and Nina will love you again. He's probably just dazzled. Trig has a way of, I don't know, getting in there.
Oh, God, I gotta go.
We'll go. We'll leave tomorrow, and then he'll love you again.
I'm going. I am going first.
Connie, please don't walk away. Just stay here.
How is he?
How the fuck should I know? Sad. Sad and lost. Do you remember that play he was in? In the 3rd grade? He was in that little boat wearing that ridiculous hat.
Yes, actually. You saw that?
I did. I just remember he looked so little up there. So lost at sea. I just keep remembering that today. His head is fine though, right?
It's a scratch. A few stitches. He might have thought he wanted to do it, but something didn't do that.
Yeah. Well, I'm
worried
exhausted. I'm sorry? Okay. Have you seen Doyle?
No. He was out riding on the porch earlier.
And Nina's still here?
Bedding down on the old red couch with Franny.
Franny, that cat is such a little tramp.
Any warm body in a storm.
Yes. Yes, indeed. And you're okay, right?
Of course. You know me.
Well, good night. Well, hello there, darling. Oh no. Not God, child. But still full of wrath and terrible to behold.
Emma.
Shut up! My love. Nina,
Yes?
leave.
What?
Leave. Now.
Alright.
And not just the room. You traitor, the house. The hemisphere, if possible.
Okay.
And Nina, don't you ever come near me or any of my men ever again, or I will quite simply kill you until you are utterly and entirely dead, okay? Okay. Good night.
Remember what I said.
Go!
Let me go.
What?
Let me go.
No,
Let me go.
never.
Let me go.
Am I so old, so ugly that you can stand there and speak to me like that?
Let me go.
I won't. I won't let you throw yourself away. I won't let you ruin your happiness and mine and my son's and his too. Bitch, he is a boy. A stupid, stupid, stupid boy. He has nothing for you.
Let me go!
Over my dead body.
Let me go.
No, you are an amazing man. A great artist. Your best work is still ahead of you, and I can't bear to see you throw it all away. And for what? We both know what'll happen. Think. Use your fucking head for one moment instead of your aging dick. Think! Imagine you will run after him, burning, blazing, like a jackal, like a forest fire, like a man. The chase, the adventure, the triumph, the conquering hero. Good for you. Look what you can do. You can astonish a boy with a daddy complex. Well done. And now you have him. And it's wonderful, luscious, delicious, uncomplicated for hours and hours and hours and maybe days, and then what? Play it out to the end, my love. It's a dead end. Unreal, empty, not something you can live in, not really. It's an imitation of something, an illusion of something that you wanted when you were 15 and could never have because you were odd and pimply and unpopular, so you desperately want it now. But wait! Think! Escape is not for you or for me. We are artists, for fuck's sake, and we need to be right in the middle of life, of living, of raw reality. Let everyday, ordinary men be run by their fears and their desperate attempts to stave off morality, but not you. Not a real man like you. I see you. I know you. All of you. No one is ever going to know you like I do, and you know it. You know it in your bones.